Whoa. Nice.
There's like anything new here. Look at this thing. This drag bike right here with nitro methane.
Whoa. Dang.
Let's go see what's inside.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
How are you, man?
Not bad at all.
Now, we were talking to Dawn about it because we're doing a YouTube video of a restoration. Is it possible if we can get some video clips of you blasting?
Yeah.
How we doing?
Oh, ran out of grit. Like I said, I probably have to fill it two or three times. Let's see how we get. Just needs to be wiped down and maybe, oh yeah.
We should use like paint in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll do fine.
Nice, thank you. This one. Let's get these going.
Well, that was pretty awesome.
That was pretty awesome. Thanks, guys, again.
See ya.
Good seeing you. Take care now.
All right, let's get these back to our shop. Get this frame back together, get it ready for paint.
Man, it's really cool to see places like this,
Really is.
you know, that are still around and
They don't make them like they used to, as they say.
yeah, exactly.
Things like this are rare to come by. I'm glad this is right around the corner from the garage.
I got it.
All right, so that was a cool experience. Let's get these back to the shop and get this ruckus rebuilt and painted.